The following film is the video portion of an E6-4 lesson. E6-4 is the computerized curriculum designed for homeschools, Christian schools, family worship, Sunday schools, and church Bible study groups. For more information, visit the website at www.e6-4.com. The people of Israel are called Jews. God gave the Jews His law, and He promised them that if they would obey it, they would live peacefully in the homeland He had provided for them. But the people did not obey, so God punished them. He sent an army to attack them. They broke down the walls of their city. They burned the city. Many of the people were killed, and those who lived were put in chains and forced to go live in a foreign land. After 70 years, God chose to give the people another chance to obey Him. He caused the king to give them permission to return to their homeland. But when they got there, the city was burned, the walls were broken down, and it was a very sad and dangerous place. Nehemiah was a Jew who had a very important position. He was the cupbearer to the king. When he heard about the sad condition of his people in Israel, he spoke to the king about it. The king loved Nehemiah and gave him permission to go and help his people rebuild the walls of their city. This was a difficult and dangerous undertaking, and Nehemiah faced threats and opposition from his enemies. But because God helped them, the people finished rebuilding the wall in only 52 days. Let's help Nehemiah count down the days it will take to finish the wall. I will count backward from 52, and you count with me. 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finished! The wall is finished. Now do it again without me. Follow the little red line and count backwards from 52. Now let's help Nehemiah count the blocks he needs to do the work. Each of these stacks are 10 blocks high. How many red blocks does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has 5 red blocks. How many blue blocks does he have? 1, 2. He has 2 blue blocks. How many yellow blocks does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He has 9 yellow blocks. Now let's learn about rows and columns. A row is a group of blocks all lined up beside one another, like this. A column is a group of blocks stacked on top of one another, like this. This wall has 5 rows of blocks. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and row 5. This wall also has 5 columns of blocks. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and column 5. Now let's look at top, bottom, left, right, and between. Top, bottom, left, right, and between. The top row of this wall is orange. The bottom row is green. The rows between the top and bottom are yellow. Top, bottom, between. What color is row 1? Row 1 is orange. What color is row 2? Row 2 is yellow. What color is row 3? Row 3 is yellow. What color is row 4? Row 4 is yellow. What color is row 5? Row 5 is green. The column on the left of this wall is purple. The column on the right is red. The columns between the left and right are green. Left, right, between. What color is column 1? Column 1 is purple. What color is column 2? Column 2 is green. What color is column 3? Column 3 is green. What color is column 4? Column 4 is green. What color is column 5? Column 5 is red. Let's look at this wall. What is the number of the blue column? The number of the blue column is 4. What is the number of the red column? The number of the red column is 2. What is the number of the purple column? The number of the purple column is 5. What is the number of the green column? The number of the green column is 1. What is the number of the yellow column? The number of the yellow column is 3. What color is the column on the right? The column on the right is purple. What color is the column on the left? The column on the left is green. What color is the column between the green and the yellow columns? The column between the green and the yellow columns is red. What color is the column between the yellow and the purple columns? The column between the yellow and the purple columns is blue. What is the number of the column between the red and the blue columns? The number of the column between the red and the blue columns is 3. Let's look at this wall. What color is the top row? The top row is blue. What is the number of the bottom row? The number of the bottom row is 5. What color is row 3? Row 3 is red. What color is the row between the red and green rows? The row between the red and green rows is purple. What is the number of the row between the blue and red rows? The number of the row between the blue and red rows is 2. Now it's time to do the question sets. Repeat these sets until you can quickly answer the questions correctly. Then, take the final exam. The film you have just watched is the video portion of an E6-4 lesson. E6-4 is the software curriculum that provides education with a strong biblical worldview. Be sure to visit the website at www.e6-4.com and sign up for our newsletter to stay informed about new lessons available or special events. One of the many features of E6-4 is the student-directed learning mode, where the student is free to choose from dozens of lessons in over 20 categories, including math, reading, history, science, and the Bible. Another feature is the father-directed learning mode, where a father or classroom teacher can create an individualized lesson plan for each student, and the software will teach the student one section at a time, keeping records of his progress. A third feature is the family worship mode, which is ideal for family worship, school chapel services, family Sunday school classes, or church Bible study groups. Once you set up your lesson plan, this mode offers instruction and catechism, one lesson section at a time. Reminds you to do prayer, thanksgiving and praise, Bible memorization, and includes a complete music section with songs and hymns for worship. Each song can be played with or without the vocals. Another E6-4 feature is the competition mode, where you create a lesson plan and the program randomly selects question sets from the lessons to create a fun and exciting competition, which can be as small as the competition our family does every day in our daily family worship, to as large as the Southeast Bible competition we conducted with multiple rounds and prizes, including a new laptop computer and tickets to a major theme park. Another feature is Apples of Gold, a computerized parlor game for more advanced students, where two clue givers devise clues to help their teams come up with a phrase from the Bible. To purchase the E6-4 software, visit the website at www.e6-4.com. To schedule the Homeschool Advantage to come to your church or homeschool conference and teach your people how to use computer software to build strong biblical households, contact Captain Bret at 678-570-2195 or email terabenth@inbox.com.